For today's lesson, you might want to have a piece of paper and something to write with to remember a couple of things from the videos. So if you don't have those, pause the video right now and go get a piece of paper and something to write with. Once you have those, we're going to look at this picture. What natural force would be strong enough to break this rock in half? Say your say your answer out loud. When I tried to answer this myself, I went through all the different natural forces in my head that I could think of, and they were pretty much all different types of weather. So I thought about wind, and I thought, well, air is not strong enough to break a rock. I've seen it break like tree limbs and stuff like that, but rock is really hard and cannot be broken by wind. Then I thought, but when there's sand in the wind, it can cause abrasion and that can break down a rock, but I know that that's just rubbing off some little pieces on the edge to make it smoother. I do see that this rock has sort of a smooth part around the edge there. So maybe that was done by abrasion, but abrasion does not break something that big in half. Then I thought about rain. Rain is not a lot of water at one time. It is not like a big, huge river. It's just droplets of rain, and that would not be big enough or hard enough or strong enough to break a big rock like that in half. Then I thought about lightning, and lightning seems like it's pretty strong and can do some pretty big damage to things when it hits. Um, but I looked at the picture and there's no burn marks. There's no like black marks on that rock. So I don't think lightning could have done that because it would have made a burn mark. And also, lightning is really rare. It doesn't strike very often, and not very many bolts of lightning come down. And we see broken rocks like this all over our landscape. And so I don't think it could be lightning. So we still have a mystery. We don't know what could be strong enough to break this rock in half. And so we are going to learn that throughout our lesson today, and you're going to look at a bunch of evidence. After the video, you will be answering a question about why lightning is not strong enough to break this rock. Do you remember the evidence? The evidence is that it does not like it has burn marks on the rock, and lightning is too rare to be the thing that broke this rock. Go and answer that question and then come back for the next video.